Operating since 1997, Precision Steel Services is an independently owned metal processing and fabrication mill committed to a high standard of quality, exceptional customer service, and on-time delivery. Here's their new Jet Edge Mid Rail Dual Carriage system, cutting through aluminum channels. Each carriage operates independently and can cut two like parts simultaneously. However, Precision Steel purchased the Jet Edge Dual Carriage for its mirror cutting capabilities. As a result, cycle times were slashed from 6 minutes to just 3.